Alright guys, let's get started on this back patio summer refresh. First off, I've got to say that I think this dining set has seen better days. I have had it for quite a while. I am in the market for a new one, but I want one the exact same size, so. Until then, I'm going to be freshening up this area with this new umbrella that I got from Target. I just love the striping, and it's kind of like scalloped, not really scalloped, but you can see the way that it is, and it's got the fringe. It is just so pretty. I think it looks really good with this rug that I got from Home Depot. I also got some new cushions for my furniture out here. I think I got the cushions at Lowe's. I also got some new throw pillows at Target and Kohl's. Adding fresh cushions and pillows really brightened up the space back here. I was so excited to get all of this set up on Mother's Day. Actually, I think I did this the day before. So as you can see throughout this video, I probably will have been working on the back patio for about 2 weeks. I also got these lumbar pillows for the chairs, and I will see if all of this stuff is still available and try and link it for you down in the description box. Always check down there if you want links to any of the products that I'm using in the video. I always try to gather them up. I had my pine scent left over from winter, so I'm using it outside because it is a great outdoorsy scent. I swear I have to clean these glass top tables every day. I'm also moving my fountain into place, and I'm going to be turning that on. I have had that forever too. I got it at an antique store, and I just really enjoy having a little water feature out here. It's so calming to listen to. My husband is putting our planters and fire pits back in place, and then I am going to be planting the flowers in them. Right now the pots are just sitting in them. These are the flowers that I got at the beginning of the video when my son and I went flower shopping for the patio. You won't see it in the video, but we actually had a pretty big storm here last week, and these pots that I'm filling up, one of them got busted. It's still sitting there. My husband just turned it to face away from everything, but I did go to a few places looking for new pots and haven't found any yet the right size and style. This is such a pretty planter. I think I have 3 head planters. I just love picking them up whenever I see them. And I forgot the name of this little guy that I planted in here. It was the cutest little plant. I thought it was perfect for this pot whenever I saw it. And yes, I brought my little vacuum out there to clean up any messes. I got this new scalloped outdoorsy wicker tray at Home Goods, and I thought it would be a cute little piece to put on the coffee table, and I had no idea what I was going to put in it, but this planter fit right in there along with this adorable little succulent plant that I picked up at the hardware store the other day. This is something I have been putting off doing. I had a bunch of empty pots on my deck just taking up space, and our Dollar Tree Family Dollar was going out of business, and they had a 50% off sale. So a 50% off Dollar Tree sale. There was all of these bulbs, and I thought, let me grab a bunch and I will try to plant them in these empty planters and soil that I already had on my deck. So I don't know if they're going to bloom, but fingers crossed that they do, because I think that would be really pretty. I'm getting ready ready to plant something in this pot, but look at all this moss that's growing in here. I think I'm going to take this and use it in a planter. I am just going around to all of the pots that I stuck my plants in and getting them potted nicely so they can grow throughout the summer. Then I am watering them all with a flower fertilizer. This is a beautiful hibiscus that I got for Mother's Day along with my really big palm at a local market called Ware Market, and it is so gorgeous. It has these big orange blooms with pink in the middle. Hopefully I'll get a better shot here in a minute for you to see. I forgot about this planter here, so we were at Home Depot the other day and I thought, let's get another little palm to put over here to match the one over by our dining table, and that's a pretty big one. So I thought this was the perfect palm. I ended up getting one more at the end of this video for a total of 3 palms so far on the patio. I missed him installing this, so he's showing me how you can move it around and angle it to different parts of our yard. So I guess you could angle it over toward the fire pit or to the pool, but I'm not a big TV watcher. I don't ever watch it when I'm in the house, but I will admit it has been nice having our dinners out here at this bar with the TV on. It is so cozy. My husband and I actually sit out here for many hours the other night after dinner watching a few movies in a row, and that was really fun. The weather has been kind of weird lately with storms and a lot cooler weather than I think we're anticipating, but I have been really enjoying it because we have had plenty of perfect patio days. Summer will be in full swing before we know it. This is the most exciting part of this patio refresh. We are finally putting stone back up on our pool bar. I am so excited for this. This is the beautiful stone that is going to be up. It's going to be all around the back of the bar there. And as you can see, my husband's already got it up around the front and it is looking so good. I wanted to get it cleaned up and show you guys what it looks like before I wrapped up this video. We still have a little construction zone going on behind this bar and a big mess to clean up when it's all done. But the finished product is going to be amazing. The bar hasn't been cleaned in a while and it needed a heavy-duty cleaning to get this stone shining again. So I am just now able to enjoy this view the day I am editing this video. However, I did have a little bit of time out here to take a few videos because I went and got 2 new plants today. That palm you see there on the right and a Kimberly Queen fern that I put over behind my fountain. So some of these shots I took before I got those plants and some of them I took after. See, there's the Kimberly Queen over there by the fountain and the palm right there to the right. I also planted the other palm that you see by the lounge chairs a day or 2 before this. So I've been accumulating plants throughout the past few weeks. I think I'm going to get a couple of lilac bushes to plant out there behind the cottage. It has been so cozy since my husband put the TV up. Everybody wants to sit out here at the bar and eat dinner. The weather has just been so nice. We have been eating out on our bar almost every night of the week. This is the hibiscus from my oldest son for Mother's Day, and it is blooming just beautifully. I just love the way that everything turned out back here, and I am going to be continuing working on it all summer. So make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss any updates or videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!